Hi friends, I'm Thirak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a recording notes on your Google Keep. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the recording notes in Google Keep, I just going to show in this video. First of all, click on this plus symbol on the down side. Now you have a new note, so just click on this plus symbol. You will see a recording option on the bottom. Just click this, and while using, now you can see it's actually start recording. Just click on the recording. So now you can see there is an audio playback, and also the text that you have been talked about, you can see the text on the top. So this is the two better way and the better option to add a recording notes. So you can have this audio also and also the text. If you don't want this audio, click on this delete option to delete the audio, and you just keep the text allowed. So this is how you just add a recording notes on your Google Keep. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Thirak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.